How to talk to AliExpress agent. So go open up a new tab, just search for AliExpress customer service. Open up the help center. Okay, I'm going to open this up in a new page. And here you'll find a bunch of different articles. Maybe these can help you, some frequently asked questions. But if you actually want to talk to an agent, you want to scroll all the way down here and click on online service. This is available 24 hours a day, 7 times a week. So if you have any specific questions, you can use their chatbot. Or what you can do is click here to chat with a live agent. So now we're talking with an actual agent and not a robot. So come here and type anything. Hi, my order has not been shipped. Okay. You can also add images as well. So I'm currently in contact with Son and they should be able to assist me. This is a live customer service agent available 24/7. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. You just have to wait for a response now.